Welcome to a new video tutorial by CrocFIX. I will show you today how to replace your battery on your HUAWEI P SMART Z smartphone. If you need parts or repair tools, you will find the links in the video description. Just click on more under the video. Thanks! There we have our HUAWEI P SMART Z phone, and as you see, it's not damaged, but we need a new battery. So we will replace it. Everything is working, just the phone shuts down after 4 hours, maybe 5 hours. So it will definitely need a new battery. First we're going to shut down the phone, and then we are going to heat up the back cover with 200 to 220 degrees for maybe like a minute or two. Because the back is made from plastic, don't heat up too much. So let's take a suction cup and try to remove the back cover from the frame. As you see, we were not successful because there is a sticker on it and the suction cup doesn't really suck like it should. So I'm using here a pry tool, which is a really thin metal tool which you insert between the gaps here, just for easy lifting up the back cover. You don't need to go really deep inside because you can damage internal cables or something. So just to make a gap like I did here, and then try to lift up with your fingers a little bit here. You will see once the adhesive glue will won't be that strong anymore, then you can go with a plastic card or with like a plastic tool like I did inside, and then you try just to cut the adhesive tape around the corners and around everywhere. Just be carefully and don't go too deep inside, just go everywhere around like I did. It's not that hard, so just follow the steps. Now you have to be carefully here because there is a fingerprint reader connected to the back cover, as you see on here. If you go too deep with the pry tool, then you can also damage this cable. Okay, so now we are going to unscrew all the screws here and then remove this back plate there. Now gently lift up the protective plate here. Mine was flying away. I'm just cleaning it here a little bit here with a dust remover, air dust remover. Okay, and now let's disconnect the battery. And I will also disconnect here this fingerprint reader so I can move the back cover by side. Okay, so now you see here, I'm just cleaning here a little bit, and then you see here the numbers on the battery. You have number 1, 2, 3. So first you crack number 1, you move this orange sticker and you hold the middle one, so you get just this one. And now you will pull this up, so you're pull towards yourself, so the battery will easily remove here from the frame. And now I'm also removing here this underneath the this adhesive, which holds the battery inside. We have here a new battery already. I'm just checking if the glue is on the battery or not. So there is just this foil on it with these numbers, but there is no adhesive on it, no glue. So I want to keep the glue from the old one on the frame if I can. If not, you just use some double-sided adhesive tape. So as you see, I'm gently removing this old battery foil here, and I want to keep the adhesive under this for a new battery. Okay, this is removed, and we have here a new battery, and that adhesive is still in the frame, so I'm just putting the new battery and press it gently everywhere to hold in the frame. Press it so the adhesive sticker will stick it. There we go. Okay, so now again I take the back cover here, I mean the back protective plate with the camera lenses, and I dust it again a little bit with this dust remover. Okay, at first we reconnect the fingerprint reader again here, because we need to reconnect it first to the motherboard, and then we will attach the protective cover for the camera lenses and the antennas. And now let's screw all the screws back again. And once again I dust here a little bit, remove all the dust everywhere, so it will be nice and clean, and to better hold the back cover. So the back cover which I have here still has a little bit of adhesive tape, so I don't need that much, and I can reuse it. I will just put a little bit glue everywhere in the corners, and that's it. I just turned on the phone, as you saw, just to check if the phone is working with a new battery. Okay, so I'm putting here everywhere a little bit of this black glue, T7000, and you can use also your own glue. Just in corners, and that's it. Okay, now we are going to put the back cover on it here, put it in place, align it into the frame, and then go and press everywhere around the corners. Because I had a lot of the leftovers from the adhesive tape, I didn't use that much glue. If you don't have this adhesive on it, then you can use more glue and go everywhere around the edges and corners. So I'm using here these clips to hold the back cover inside the frame. I basically put it everywhere around, and then I will leave it for at least 1 to 2 hours, and then you are good to go. There we go. Now leave it for 1 to 2 hours. Thanks for watching. Please comment and like the video, and donations are appreciated. You find the donation link in my About page and in the video description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.